In this video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Emacs Master 3S for Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Emacs Master 3S from Logitech, you are able to natively use it within any Mac, either a MacBook or a standard Mac desktop. In order to establish this connection, you can do it in two main ways. One of them will be using the Logi Boat receiver. So as you can see, this receiver is called the Logi Boat, and it essentially establishes the connection between the mouse and your Mac, or you can do it over Bluetooth. So choose one of these two. You don't have to use both of them simultaneously, so select whichever one you prefer. If you want to use the Logi Boat receiver, you simply plug it into any suitable USB port on your Mac. After this is done, look underneath of your MacBook or your Mac desktop, look underneath the mouse and you will be able to toggle it between the Logi Boat mode, which is this one, or Bluetooth. Once it is set up, you are good to go. You power it on and it should automatically pair itself up to the receiver. Now, if you would like to use Bluetooth, once again, ensure that you set it to Bluetooth mode, so the appropriate mode that you are going to be using, and instead, you are going to go into the settings of your MacBook. Inside of the settings, choose the Bluetooth category, enable it, and by pressing this button that you can see, you are able to swap between 3 different devices. If you have never used it, it will just use the first profile or the first slot, and it is going to appear underneath the list of nearby devices. So just choose the option to connect to the mouse and you are good to go. There's no secret to this. Once the mouse is connected between each of those modes, you will be able to use Logi Options Plus to actually configure it. So if you need to acquire Logi Options Plus, visit their official website. So go to logitech.com, hover over support, and you will find Logi Options. Download the latest version of the software and then click on the mouse. Now you are able to control all of the assignments. So you have all of the available buttons and you can change what they do from this app. You can customize which application the presets will be used on. So for example, if you would like to have a profile for video editing, another one for Premiere, another one for Photoshop, and so on, you will be able to customize all of them. You have other options at the left and everything will be available for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to configure Emacs Master 3S for Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.